Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO team per Lemon. Today we learn how to find the emails from LinkedIn without using the Sales Navigator and any kind of paid tool. So simply search for the job title. I want to find the product manager in United States and type the email at gmail.com in inverted commas and add the site :linkedin.com. Okay, yeah, it's wrong. LinkedIn.com. Here you can see we have some email addresses and phone numbers also. So let's load the pages. And go to the Chrome Web Store, download this extension per Lemon Catcher. Click on the extension and click Start Email Collection. It will collect all emails from this search. You can change the job titles and country, and for more emails just type here yahoo.com. You can use all public emails providers, AOL, so you will have maximum results using this. Thank you.